What are you laughing at?
What's wrong?
Feels good. Don't be scared that, oh, he's going too deep. That's overdoing it. He's going to be sore. Why are you doing that?
So yeah, we're really trying to get in at bone level, tendon level, and yeah, just following that trail of tightness.
And we're live, Ninj.
Oh,
Sunny's on.
yeah.
It's a sunny day.
Bloody sunny out here. Let's rip into it.
Yeah, so I've got a footy match tonight, and I'm feeling a bit sore.
Yeah.
Sort of high adductor hamstring, so Ninja's just going to take you through his way of...
Yeah, he's giving me good access here, young Darcy. So
Loves a bit of good access, this bloke.
I like access.
Yep.
It really helps out the treatment.
Yeah.
What I'm going to do, I'm going to get right up in under. I'm going to try and find
Yeah, what are you doing there?
that bone. So I'm trying to find the tendon.
Yep.
The bloody tendon where that muscle joins on. Oh, the bone where the muscle joins, the tendon joins onto. Shit, I'm losing it. How's that feel, Darcy?
Yeah, that you're right onto it, man. Yeah. Like, I don't know what you said then, but I don't think the camera did either.
No one in the world understood that.
Can you say it again for us?
Tendons attach onto bones.
I'm glad he got that through. He's been doing it for 25 years. You'd hope he'd know that.
Yeah, and I've got my singlet on today. Hey, look, like, attachment is a source of suffering.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a source of suffering.
Yeah, it is.
It's a source, mate. So what I'm trying to do is get right up in under here.
Oh, man. Like,
Shadows on it. So what I'm going to do as well, I'm going to go down a little bit towards your hammy a bit. How's that in there?
That's like straight into my point of pain, into the hamstring. Is you're on it.
Can feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how do you know to go, like, why do you go straight up into there? Like, just for our viewers, what?
Just, that's the source of suffering, mate.
Yep.
It says it on the shirt.
Yep.
So we've got to go to the source.
Yep.
So if we get the source sorted,
yep,
we can cure the whole thing.
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to do, cure the whole thing. We've got to get Darcy kicking a few goals tonight.
Yep.
Get a few kicks, mate.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. So you're going to play up forward on ball?
On ball, bit up forward.
Yeah.
We're meant to be playing, we're short in numbers in the twos game as well, so I'm going to play the ones game and then about 7 or 8 of us into the twos, which will just be ridiculous if I've got a sore hamstring.
Is the twos afterwards? Or?
Yeah, the twos is afterwards.
That's...
Ones is before, just because we're playing about an hour away in Geelong. Well, tonight it's going to take a little bit longer, but...
You want to get on your bike pretty soon, Darcy.
Yeah, mate. Lucky I got my sunnies on.
Yeah. So I'm just going to try and scoop the bastard out for you.
Yeah.
So we're going to go down this adductor a bit.
It's great.
Like that. So yeah, staying pinned. So I stayed fully engaged, deep into that adductor, and we're scooping it out. So trying to get every bit of tightness out of this adductor. So I'm on track.
You're on track, mate.
Yeah.
Don't fall off it.
That's it.
Oh.
So the bloke on the table or the girl on the table, they can be the guide. They can tell you exactly where to go because they know their own body. So they know what has been bothering them. It resonates with them when you're hitting the spots that they really need it. So right in there, and I can feel like if I push up that way a little too.
Oh, yeah.
Up under there.
More. Yeah, man. Oh. Sorry, the only way for me to keep looking that way is actually to have these sunnies on. The sun is
They're bloody magnificent sunglasses, mate.
They're bloody magnificent, mate.
Yeah, I like them.
I like them too.
Yeah. The mirrors, you can see the cameraman in your bloody sunnies.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. It's under here.
Oh man, that's great. Oh, that's ripping through. Oh. And a lot of people might be fearful of going deep before, enduring something quite intense like playing footy or soccer or cricket. But, Ninja's style of treatment where he's just holding spots, he's into the tendon, he's not interfering or aggravating the muscle belly. Come out of it feeling really, really good. So don't be scared that, oh, he's going too deep. That's overdoing it. He's going to be sore. Why are you doing that?
So yeah, we're really trying to get in at bone level, tendon level, and just following that trail of tightness, a band of really solidified tissue. We're just going on the trail, and Darcy knew in himself that there was something in here, so we're just sort of following his guidance.
Yeah, you're right on that. Like,
in there.
oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just sort of changed an angle a little bit because I could sense that where that real block was on a different angle. So I just pushing in, using my legs here, strong thumbs.
That's like right in the middle of it there, man.
Yeah.
Maybe hold that for a minute and just work that, whatever. There, that is.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Thanks, brother.
How's it going?
Yeah,
Pain
it's
backing
good.
off a little?
It is, it has. It's backing off, but
Yeah.
it's still
Intense?
yeah, it's still camping.
Yeah. Old camping.
I'm camping.
Yeah, you're camping here.
Oh. So what are you doing this weekend, man?
We've got a workshop, intensive workshop. We've got old Anna from Miami. She's in the background here. Look, she's flew over from Miami today. She's going to do intensive workshop with us the whole weekend. So big days. So it'll be really good for everybody that we're in our online course to be able to experience receiving it from us, but also us being a connoisseur when they're treating us as well. So Aaron and myself, yeah, we'll give them some guidance as to if they've got the right pressure, the right angles, the right tool, the right, all that kind of stuff, the right pace. We'll be able to tell them exactly how they're doing, how therapeutic it feels for us. So we have to tune into our own senses, our own body, and yeah, and get it done. So
how are you feeling about it? Like, it's a bit of like judgment day. You're thinking, I guess you got to see them online, and you know, you get to know these people over the 14 weeks of you know, catching up for an hour and a half each week with the Teams. No, you did it over Skype or whatever it was.
Yep. And
Zoom, but seeing it isn't feeling it. So it's going to be a whole different.
I suppose
experience.
we can see, we know pretty much from watching, because we've been watching it and doing it for so long. But yeah, but when they can't get the same
really
feedback that we can give them in person, so being physically present is something that I've always been really big on. But today's world, you can't always be physically present because we live all over the world. So, so yeah, it's a good chance for them to kind of experience it live. So yeah, it'll be big. And they'll get to do a lift and a sprint with us as well, and a few other little things we've got planned.
Don't want to give away all the
No,
secrets.
Leo will film it and everyone can see it.
Yeah, you'll get, oh man, right on there.
Yeah.
And I guess the difference between fully immersing themselves and getting to be here and get to meet you in the flesh is they also get to see a bit how our clinic operates and what it looks like, and a real life getting involved, I guess.
Just do one last thing, man. Yeah, so
that's great.
We can teach that as well. Like systems, that's what you need when you run a business. So you're only as good as your systems. So
yeah, so this workshop, are they going to learn more business side of things as well, not just?
No, not particularly, but Anna will, because she's here for 2 weeks.
Yep.
So we'll take her through that. But yeah, the main intention for the guys that are doing the workshop is the money spots.
Yep.
So all the spots that are our main spots.
Yep.
That's what we want.
Just them to be absolute 10 out of 10s, the best they can.
Proficient. Experts at the money spots. So that's the key. But also we're going to introduce them to our movement stuff as well, a bit of meditation. So
So I guess, if you can learn the money spots and be really good at those, what would you say that's they're going to be more effective than what they were previously? Just learning 10 or 15 different spots, being really good at those, you're going to create flow in other areas of the body and unblock.
We've kind of identified these spots as the main spots that kind of stuff up in the body. So if you can kind of be able to explore and negotiate these spots well, you're going to help out so many people. So it's they're going to put them ahead of the game, ahead of all their peers. So it's
that's
a good thing to do. Helping people, that's what we're all about. That's the name of the game. So any way we can, just be a good human with good intention. You're going to help people out on other levels as well. So, but the way that we kind of get people in is a safe way through deep body work. And then once you've developed relationships, then you can kind of go deeper if you need to. If there's something there, we can explore other traumas, so to speak, as well. And that can be really the thing that can be anchoring people, holding them back from moving forward. So so we've got a really cool job when we can, guide people through or help, even just witness people go through their process is something that's I've loved over the years, and I think that's priceless. So
Best job in the world.
Best job in the world. There we go. I reckon you're going to kick a few goals tonight, Darcy.
Might get up and test that.
Test her out. You Mike Whitney. You George. Lord George Lapel.
He feels good, mate.
He feels good.
Why do you laugh at that?
What's wrong?
Feels good.
Feels good.
Feels good.
Feels good, huh? Oh, even his hamstrings are better.
Yeah, hamstrings.
Fucking hell. That's good.
Yeah.
All right.